The bones on the bottom are rather thin, and there are actually two of them. One is thicker and another is thinner. But I didn't draw two bones. I have a very simplistic representation just for starters. Let's move to the upper part of the body. So here on the middle line, that's where men have nipples. And from the nipples, under the angle, we get to the end of shoulders. Here we have a link to the arms. And where is the elbow? How do we find it? Well, we have this line. Well, if we make a circle with this line, whenever this line goes, that would be the elbow, here or here or here or here or here. Elbow will be located on this line.